Hello, my name is Dr. Lisa Bradley. Welcome to the Research Methods in Informatics course, HINF 570. I have a few announcements that I want to make to you, and certainly just to let you know that for this particular course, there's been some modifications and some changes that have been made in order to help you as the student to be more successful in the course. All of the modules, as well as all of the assignments, all of the discussion threads, and certainly even the last final paper project that we have for you for this course have all been open so that especially during this season, you'll be able to have a little bit more flexibility in getting these particular assignments and things done. The bulk of your work for this particular course will certainly be done through your homework assignments. And one of the other nice things that we have is that because this is a research course, the University of Findlay allowed access for my students to be able to take what we call CITI research training. That research training actually is all done online. I've provided a link for you to be able to complete that training. And upon the completion of that training, it will give you a certificate proving that you successfully completed whichever of the modules that you decided to select or whichever of the trainings that you decided to select that are in line with the project parameters. Once you complete the training and you receive the certificate, all you need to do for your final in this particular course is to load that certificate into the appropriate assignment portal. And once I see that certificate and see that and make sure that it is valid, then I'll certainly be able then to award you the points. You don't have to wait until the end to actually do that, but typically those particular CITI training modules typically take maybe about an hour to an hour and a half, and sometimes 2 hours, depending on what you select. No, you don't have to do it all in one setting, but I do want to make sure that you are acclimated and you certainly get out there and take a look at what that particular city training is all about. And that's actually going to be in your module 7, and all of the information for you is there. As we move forward then with this particular course, you're going to see that I'm going to actually be inviting you to a weekly Zoom where I will be doing some updating, and certainly if you have any questions, it'll be for every class that I'm teaching this particular semester, and all students will certainly be invited. What would be some of the topics? Certainly asking or answering questions about any homework issues that you might have, about any file issues, navigating our new Health Informatics course template, which you all actually get a chance to experience in this particular course. Hopefully, the template that we have created for you will allow you then to be able to move with a little bit more flexibility throughout the online course room, and also to be able to allow you to have ready access to the different types of things that and areas of the University of Findlay that you might need. For example, being able to contact IT, our technology area, in case you have questions about Canvas, and certainly being able to have some information about Canvas, as well as any type of information about how to reach us as instructors, and certainly how to reach me. The other things that you have experienced, if you've ever had me as an instructor before, the other things that you've experienced in regards to the resources, your PowerPoint presentations, all of your assignments, everything is open. And certainly you have your leisure to be able to do the assignments ahead of time if you would like. And certainly if you need some extra time, to be able to get your assignments done, all you need to do is email me and let me know, and I'm very willing to accommodate your request. So take a look at everything that we have listed in this particular course. Go through it, and certainly if you have any questions, you can always drop me an email. The Zoom meeting or the Zoom session will typically be held either on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. And if you would like to have an additional Zoom session with me, either one-on-one or even several members of you as a class, all you need to do is email me and let me know. Those Zoom sessions that I will schedule for all of the classes in which I am teaching this semester will be recorded in case there's some information that you personally would like to know. And I'm glad to be able to put that recording then in an announcement so that you can have access. Again, as you unfold this particular course and start going through the different things, let me know if you have any questions, as I'm here to help. My email address is Bradley, Bradley, the letter L, and the number 2 at Findlay.edu. Just looking over my notes before I sign off, making sure that I've gotten everything covered for you. And if you have any questions with anything that you see, please don't hesitate to communicate with me via email. Thank you very much and welcome to the course.